Introducing Paperseal, our latest innovation in carton board packaging to reduce single-use plastic. Paperseal is a unique sealable tray format, removing 80% to 90% of single-use plastic. Not only does it reduce the plastic content compared to existing trays in the market, but it also offers benefits that other trays cannot. Paperseal is technology for today. Ready for a number of applications with real scope for scalability, it's capable of running at the high speeds and efficiencies demanded by the food industry and the existing technology infrastructure. Developed at our state-of-the-art facilities, offering expertise in print, constructional design and manufacturing. Cleverly engineered, offering fantastic marketing opportunity, performance and end-of-life outcomes. Offering vibrant merchandising capabilities with 360-degree internal and external print, our latest innovation also removes the need for secondary packaging. Paperseal uses carton board to offer vibrant print options, structural protection for the products, and just the right amount of plastic to offer freshness and modified atmosphere salability without compromise. By working with our machine partner and customers, Graphic Packaging are offering a tray solution that meets the needs of multiple products and sealing requirements, offering great environmental benefit, including a 35% CO2 reduction compared to the plastic equivalent. With a full MAP seal for chilled and ambient products, multiple compartments and shape options, Paperseal is suitable for many applications. A key feature is the one-piece continuous sealing rim, which ensures the shelf life of the food product is not at all compromised and of the same standard as a plastic tray. Paperseal also offers great benefits for the end user, with the ease of opening the pack, to added functionality during use and simple separation to make recycling even easier. Once the pack is used, the tray can be rinsed and the film liner can be easily peeled off to recycle the carton board. Graphic Packaging is a global leader in paper-based packaging. Our teams of innovators, engineers and specialists are in tune with the market and the planet. At Graphic Packaging, we respond with inspired packaging that makes a world of difference. Paperseal. No compromise on product protection. Sustainable, recyclable.